Welcome to Avocado Academy. Cute animals in English. Let's go! Another word for a rabbit, often fluffy and playful. Bunny. A baby dog, always full of energy and love. Puppy. A baby cat, loves to nap in small boxes. Kitten. Small, round, and covered in soft spines. Rolls into a ball when scared. Hedgehog. Black and white bear that loves bamboo and napping. Panda. Looks like a mix between a raccoon and a teddy bear. Red panda. Slow-moving tree animal with a sweet face and chill vibes. Sloth. Bounces and jumps like it's made of springs. Baby goat, kid. Swims on its back and holds hands with friends while sleeping. Otter. Softest fur in the animal kingdom. Chinchilla. Walks like it's wearing a tuxedo. Loves cold weather. Penguin. Cuddly tree climber from Australia. Sleeps up to 20 hours a day. Koala. Baby ducks follow their mother everywhere and can swim right after hatching. Duckling. Born with white spots to help them blend into the forest for protection. Fawn. Baby deer. Tiny, fluffy, and loves to stuff food into its cheeks like tiny grocery bags. Hamster. Baby pigs are super clean and love to cuddle together when they sleep. Piglet. Looks like a big-eyed, furry sausage. They bark and love sliding on ice. Seal pup. Baby sheep with soft, woolly coats. They bounce around and love to play. Lamb. Known as the happiest animal in the world because of its cute smile. Quokka. Playful and curious, ferrets can do a little war dance when excited. Ferret. Tiny marsupial that glides through the air and sleeps in cozy pouches. Sugar glider. A smiling amphibian that stays in its baby form forever and can regrow limbs. Axolotl. Tiny mountain-dwelling mammals that look like a mix between a rabbit and a mouse, and they squeak. Pika. They suck their trunks like human babies suck thumbs and love splashing in water. Baby elephant. Great job! Thank you!
Please subscribe and tune in next time for more everyday exciting English.